Good morning, friend. Today we have to start exercise 2.4 from question number 2.5 from question number 11. આજે એક exercise 2.5 last exercise છે એના 1 to 10 sums already we have complete in last two lectures. So today I am want to complete anyhow these 5 sums. Already 10 to 11 formula already we have learned. Formula based sums are there. So first of all I have to write the formula related it. So x cube plus y cube plus 3 cube plus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Then formula is x plus y plus z in next bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. I will be કરવાનું. So now I am writing the question. So 27x હું અત્યારે ગુજરાતીમાં એટલા માટે બોલું છું કે you can understand it proper way. Again I am writing the question. It is our formula. So now it is a cube of 3. So 3x whole to cube, y whole to cube. Here it is 7. Z whole to cube minus formula now 3 into x, that is 3x, into y into z. So now answer is first bracket, that is x plus y plus z. So 3x plus y plus z. So in second bracket what I have to write? 3x whole to square plus y, that is y as it is square, z is also as it is square. Now x into y, that is 3x into y minus y into z, that is y into z as it is, minus z into x. No, so therefore answer is 3x plus y plus z and 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus zx. So clear everyone? It is easy. First of you have to remember the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z. First bracket, second bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So one question is 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Then I have first make a formula, convert into a formula, and then I have to write. Always remember that in first bracket 3 terms are there, and in second bracket 6 terms are there. It must be remembered. So all questions are easy. So next question now, verify. Again, see now it's a verification. So if I will simplify this, we can get this answer: x cube plus y cube plus z cubes minus 3xyz. So we can get same answer. Or if I will apply, now what is our plan? We have to simplify it or not? So I am simplifying now. So left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. Right hand side is what? So I am simplify the right hand side. So 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. Now here x square minus 2xy plus y square. In second, y square minus 2yz plus z square. In third, plus z square minus 2xz plus 2xz plus x square. So first 3 terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 terms are there. So here 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. Now x square is 2 times. So I have to write in bracket 2x square. Y is also 2 times, so 2y square. Z is also 2 times, so 2z square. And 2xy, 2yz, and 2zx. Now, if you will see all 6 terms as 2 common outlets, so we have to take outside 2. So in bracket, now x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So these two is cut. So it is a formula of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. It is a formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That is why we can simplify. Clear everyone? So important is you have to remember the formula. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus zx. Next 13th question. When you are તમે લોકો જે આ વિડીયો જોતા હોય ત્યારે સમજી છે એ ઓનલાઈન જોઈ લેવા લખી લેવા જોઈએ. Now 13th question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, so that, so first term I am writing the formula. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x, y and z. Then x plus y plus z formula is, and here x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now question is if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So what I have to write at here? 0. So everything is equal to also 0. So now x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0. Therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. That is why so that. So we have so. Now by using this we can without actual calculation, government exam આવે, TST exam આવે, NTSC exam આવે, don't do the cube of it and you can simplify it. So now we will see that if minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to, therefore minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube is equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. So if you will multiply it, we can easily multiply 12 into 3, that is minus 36 into minus 35. So 35 into 36, if we multiply it, we can get 1225 plus 35. So 6 5 again 36 into 35. 6 5 33, 5 15, 18, 6 is 18, 1, 9 and 10. So 0, 1, 7, 6, 0. So 1, 2, 6, 0. So 1, 2, 6, 0 is our answer. So here it is also correct. 1, 0.260, but answer is negative. So શું કર્યું મેં આની અંદર તો કે જ્યારે આવા સમ્સ હોય ને પાવર 3 હોય એનું પ્લસ ક્યુબ કરવાનું હોય તો ડોન્ટ ડુ મેન્યુઅલી ક્યુબ, એનું ક્યુબ કરવાનું નહીં, એનું ટોટલ કરવાનું. ટોટલ 0 આવે તો ખાલી 3 થી બધાને મલ્ટીપલ કરી દેવા જોઈએ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ related with the above formula. Now next, possible expansion of length and breadth. So now it is a factor 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So what we have to do, we have to make a factor of 25, that is 5 into 5, and factor of 12, that is 4 into 3. So now I want to make a 35. So 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. 20 plus 15, answer is 35. So 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. So 25 and 20 is a table of 5. So 5a minus 4 minus, that is multiple of 15, and 12 is multiple of 3, that is 5a minus 4. So 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3, that is our answer. So already you are doing in 9th, 8th, but it's again when big terms are there. So here it is a standard form of quadratic equation. So first step, a multiplied by c. So 25 into 12, 25 into 12 we can also do, that is 300. So factor of 300 is also 20 into 15. So we can get answer. But it is better that we have to make a factor of 25, make a factor of 12, and then you multiply it and plus it, because middle term is minus, last term is plus. So both factors will be minus. Next sum. So when you are doing this homework, you have to everything complete into fair book, because already we have completed 2 lessons. Now from this we have to complete the 15th. આના પછી 15th lesson આપણે લેશું. So one more sum related with, chalo 35 y square plus 13y minus 12, 35 y square. So factor of 35, that is 7 into 5. Factor of 12, that is 3 into 4. 7 4 ja 28, 5 3 ja 15. 28 માંથી 15 minus kar to we can get 30. So 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. So middle term is plus, so big factor is plus, small factor is minus. Now 7y is common, so 5y plus 4. Common is 3, so 5y plus 4. So 3y, sorry 7y plus 4 and 5y plus, sorry it's a mistake. So what we have to write, આના પછી directly we have to say that 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. So it's a quadratic equation. We have to again a into c, a into c. So 35 into 10, 350 plus 70, 350 plus 420. So factor of 420 is 28 into 15. One more question. So here cuboid is there. So L into B into H. So 3x square minus 12x. So 3x, if I will common, then x minus 4. So 3x and x minus 4. L into B into H generally we have to do. So if we will make 3x square minus 12x, so 3x common, x minus 4. So 3x is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x equal to 4, and 3x equal to 0 is x equal to 0. Now here k is common, with 4 is also common. So in bracket what I would write, 3y square plus 2y minus 5. 5 to the 10. Factor of 10 to get to 5 minus 2. So 4k 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. I have to write 5 and 3. 5 3 is 15. Factor of 15 is 3 into 5. 5 minus 3 2. So here only y is common. So 3y plus 5. Minus 1 is common. When nothing is common, you have to take minus 1. And 4k is outside. So 3y plus 5 and y minus 1 and 4k. So k is equal to 0. 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. That is y is equal to minus 5 by 3 and y is equal to 1. So mostly all sums I have completed in this chapter. So you have to do it at home and complete your fair book anyhow. અને કોઈને પણ હજી કંઈ ડાઉટ હોય સમમાં તો વોટ્સઅપથી મને મોકલી શકે છે. મને વોટ્સઅપ કરી દેવાનો, બધાને કરાવી